Today I am reviewing the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete Robot Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let us start with the raw engineering headline, because it is absolutely unprecedented. This machine delivers a staggering 28,000 pascals of suction power, driven by a proprietary high-speed motor. To put that in perspective, most standard premium robot vacuums hover around 8 to 10,000 pascals. When you activate the maximum mode on the Z60 Ultra, the shear pull force is incredible. It does not just pick up surface dust. It pulls deep-set sand, embedded pet hair, and large dirt particles right out of the deepest cracks in hardwood floors and the thickest carpet fibers. In my testing, it successfully captured up to 99% of heavy debris on a single pass. That massive suction power is paired with a brilliant zero-tangling dual brush system. If you have pets or anyone in your household with long hair, you know that hair wrap is usually the ultimate killer of robot vacuums. You often end up spending more time cutting hair off the rollers than the machine spends actually cleaning. With this dual brush design, the hair is actively guided away from the rollers and pulled directly into the suction channel. Even after a week of dealing with thick pet fur, the brushes remained completely clear, which drastically cuts down on frustrating maintenance. But where this machine truly separates itself from the competition is the mopping technology. Most robot mops on the market simply drag a damp, dirty cloth across your floors, meaning they're essentially spreading dirty water around after the first few rooms. Mova solves this with their real-time clean water spray system. As the robot moves, it continuously sprays fresh water onto the roller mop while simultaneously extracting and removing the dirty water. This means it is constantly scrubbing your floors with a pristine, thoroughly rinsed surface, completely minimizing cross-contamination. Furthermore, when the robot approaches baseboards and corners, it deploys an extendable roller and side brush system. This mechanism physically extends outward to wipe and sweep right against the wall edges, leaving zero blind spots. Combined with the constant running water, it achieves a level of edge-to-edge floor cleanliness that I have simply never seen an automated machine pull off before. Carpet owners usually worry about robot mops ruining their expensive rugs, but the carpet protection technology here is flawless. The moment the vacuum detects a carpet, it instantly retracts the mop and deploys physical shields to block any moisture from transferring to the carpet fibers. Simultaneously, the chassis automatically lifts up to maximize ground clearance. The robot maintains full, uncompromised suction power and keeps the side brush rotating rapidly, allowing it to deep clean your carpets and rugs while keeping them bone dry in a single, continuous cleaning run. Speaking of lifting the chassis, the obstacle navigation on this machine is mind-blowing. It features retractable robot legs that allow it to overcome door rails, high thresholds, and steep barriers up to a massive 3.14 inches, or 8 centimeters, in height. While other robots get stuck on transitions between rooms or thick room dividers, this machine literally steps up and over them, making it uniquely qualified for complex home terrains. The all-in-one self-care base station takes convenience to a whole new level. It is fully automated, managing everything from auto-emptying the dust bin to dual-solution refilling. When the robot returns to dock, the base washes the roller mop using 80 degrees Celsius hot water, which translates to roughly 176 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme heat breaks down tough grease, sanitizes the roller, and eliminates stubborn stains far better than cold water ever could. It then uses hot air to thoroughly dry both the roller mop and the internal dust bag, completely preventing any sour mildew odors from developing. Finally, for households with animals, the pet-friendly cleaning logic is a game changer. The base features 2 separate compartments for cleaning solutions. Container A dispenses a general cleaning formula for everyday stains, while Container B targets pet odors specifically. The intelligent navigation algorithm automatically identifies pet activity zones, applying the specialized odor-eliminating formula and intensifying its cleaning patterns in those specific areas. In conclusion, the Mova Z60 Ultra Roller Complete is a phenomenal, true hands-free cleaning system. With its unparalleled suction power, active clean water mopping, obstacle stepping legs, and an incredibly smart self-washing dock, it sets a completely new benchmark for home automation. It is highly recommended.